Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to successfully sell digital products like ebooks and courses on Gumroad. Whether you're just starting out or already a content creator, this guide will get your products ready for the world. Start by heading over to Gumroad and logging in with your Google account. It's fast and easy. Once you're in your dashboard, click on Products and then New Product. Choose Digital Product and give it a creative title that draws attention. Next, set your price and currency carefully. This can really impact your sales. Click Customize to add a detailed description that highlights your product's benefits and upload eye-catching visuals like a cover image or video. Add any extra product information your customers might need, then click Save and Continue. Finally, upload your files if you have them and hit Publish. And that's it. Your digital product is now live on Gumroad, ready for customers to discover and purchase.